Okay, so hello guys, what's good? This is Jericho from The Good Guys. Okay, so guys, brief explanation about Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity is an NFT game, and which is yung rewards dito what you play is a cryptocurrency na you can convert to money. So ayun siya in short. So to start, ito yung few tips or things to take note when you are to play Axie Infinity. Let's say na ikaw ang manalo ng scholarship. So you only have 20 energies per day. 5 energies are being refreshed every 6 hours during 8 a.m., 2 p.m., 8 p.m., and 2 a.m. Kasi nasa GMT plus 8 tayo. Okay, then for energy usage, para makuha natin yung ito, for energy usage sa adventure levels starting from Lunasha Ruin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and madami yan, pero nandito pa lang tayo. So dito sa adventure, if you're going to play with energy, ang energy ko ngayon is 9/20. Kapag naglaro ako ngayon dito sa adventure, ang rewards ko is SLP plus experience. Kapag naman without energy, ang reward lang sa akin is SLP. Ngayon, si SLP, yan yung kailangan nating ma-achieve na maraming makuha per day. Kasi yan yung kino-convert natin into money. Then, sa arena naman, ito, hindi ko siya pwedeng pindutin ngayon kasi kapag nag-arena ako ngayon, mapapalaban na tayo. Nag-explain pa tayo. So, yun. So, if you're going to play arena with energy, ang rewards natin is SLP. Well, kapag naglaro naman tayo ng arena without energy, we don't have SLP to receive, but yung matches na mapapanalo natin will be counted for the daily quest. Ito yung daily quest natin. It refreshes daily, okay? So, check-in. You need to tap on that check-in every day. Then, complete 10 adventure mode levels. Yan, ngayon naka 8/10 na ako for today. So, kailangan ko pa ng 2 levels to complete. Ito namang levels na sinasabi dito, hindi mo kailangang mag-complete ng different ruin. Kahit paulit-ulit ka lang sa isang ruin, it will count for 10 mode levels, okay? Then, win 5 arena matches. I still have 2 matches to go para ma-complete ko yung daily quest today. Ayun. Then, after that, makaka-receive tayo ng 50 SLP from the daily quest. Then, ayun nga. Yun. So, para dito sa win 5 arena matches, kahit wala na tayong energy, pag nag-arena tayo, makukuha pa rin natin yung doon. Win 5 arena matches. Then, ayun, as we start, for the first 1 to 2 weeks, we are going to spend our energy only at this adventure mode, okay? Kasi, kailangan nating mapa-level up ng mabilis yung ating Axie. Kasi, as our level goes up, the SLP rewards goes higher then. So, if our SLP reward is higher compared to lower levels, we will spend less time to complete this 100 SLP in the adventure. So, ngayon, nandito ako sa Lunasha Ruin 10 and I get around 3 to 4 SLP per win. So, ayun. Dito, mga around 22, you get around 10 to 18 SLP. So, you just need to complete around 10 games, right? Then, kompleto mo na yung 100 SLP mo. So, hindi na siya masyadong time-taking para sa isang Axie Infinity Scholar. Then, ayun. For the first day, gagamitin lang natin yung ruins natin ng 1 to 3. Then, you may try 4 if hindi kayo nahirapan dito sa 3. Pero pwede nyo na rin itry si 4. But, if you lose once in dito sa level 4, go back to 3. Then, ipa-level nyo muna yung Axie nyo. Then, kapag nag-level na siya ng isa, you may try again Ruin level 4. Then ayun, take note lang na wag nyong magta-try sa isang ruin nang may energy kayo, okay? Kasi nasasayang yung energy nyo. Take note na kailangan nating mapalevel yung Axie natin ng mabilis para hindi na tayo mag-spend ng ganong karaming time in the next few days sa pag-complete ng 100 SLP sa adventure mode. Then ayun, kasi kapag natatalo ka, you don't have SLP, then wala ka ring experience, then na-minusan ka rin ng energy. Then after spending your energies, let's say 0/20, then it will refresh in few hours. You may try the arena mode. Sa arena mode naman, ito, kahit wala kang SLP, basta mapanalo nga natin yung matches, makomplete mo yung daily quest natin na we should win 5 arena matches. Then, after 3 to 4 weeks, familiar na tayo. We are already familiar with different Axies na nakakalaban natin sa arena mode. Pwede na nating itry na gamitin agad yung ating energies sa arena mode. Kasi, mabilis na rin naman nating nako-complete yung 100 SLP natin sa adventure. So, we can gain more SLP kasi kapag napanalo natin yung pag may napapanalo tayong arena matches with energy. Kasi, ito, pakita ko sa screen na if you win arena matches while having energy, you can gain more SLP. Kasi for example, dito sa adventure, di ba? Let's say, ito, ginugol lang muna natin yung adventures yung energy natin sa adventure. So, makakuha tayo ng 100 SLP, then 0 na yung energy natin. Then, kapag ganun, then maglalaro na tayo ng arena, then para makuha natin yung 5 matches na panalo, makukuha natin yung 50 SLP. Then, a total of 150 SLP for the day. But what if ginamit natin sa arena yung energies natin? Kasi, mabilis na natin natatapos tong adventure kasi nasa level 22 na tayo, let's say. Kapag ganun, ang nakukuha na sa arena is 7 SLP for if your MMR, your ranking is around 1-1 hanggang 1-2 ata. I'll show it on the screen later for the table ng SLP reward sa arena. Then, ayun, let's say na 50 SLP for the daily quest, from the daily quest, then 100 SLP from the adventure. Then, another, let's say, out of 20 matches, kasi 20 lang energies natin for the day, is nakapanalo tayo ng mga 10 matches. Then, 10 times 7 is 70. Then, add lang natin 100 SLP plus 50 SLP plus 70 SLP from the 10 arena matches won, meron tayong 220 SLP. Then, pag magko-compute lang natin is, let's say, ang presyo ng Axie natin is, ng SLP is 6 pesos. Then, 220 times, let's say, 6 pesos. 1,320 for the day, then divided by 2, diba? Yan, 660. So, ayun. It is recommended to play the arena early as soon as you have used up your energies. So you wouldn't have trouble daily quest at the end of the day. So, ayun. Kapag, halimbawa, naubos na natin yung 20 energies natin sa adventure, pwede na nating mag-try agad sa arena. Take note kasi kahit naman matalo tayo, okay lang kasi wala na tayong energy na mawawala kasi nagamit na natin sa adventure. Then kapag nanalo tayo ng 5 times na, matatapos na agad natin yung daily quest natin. Hindi na natin siya problemahin at the end of the day na baka hindi umabot yung 5-1 matches, diba? So, ayun yun guys. Sana makuha kayo sa Axie scholarship natin. So, what's good? Guys, see you in my next video. Thank you.